Laps of the wall plates, because you need to do 100mm, half lap, and you've got to be a minimum length of 2 metres. They can't be any shorter than that, because it's not structure sound at that point. There's 2 metres minimum. Right, so what I'm doing is marking up my 100mm. With half laps, I'm going to cut 2 at the same time, so it makes life quicker. So I now need to work out what half the timber is. Well, the timber is about 44mm, so I'll be cutting 22mm out of it. Cut down my line again. Two half laps. To this one, halfway through the timber, half through that timber, both ends, and then that one slide into that one and down onto there, which makes it a nice flush finish, nice and neat. Obviously down on the corners as well. And all the way around that side over there.